Well, I guess today's the day. We're going to clean the trailer up, get everything out of it, and we're going to sell the trailer. Now that we're traveling in the van, we don't need it anymore. So we got it out. All ready to clean it out and empty it. Time to sell it. Okay, today's the day. We're cleaning out the trailer, getting ready to sell it. Empty everything out. Yeah. Gotta take that with us. Cleaning all these cupboards out. I can't believe how many sleeping bags we had in this trailer. We had like 6. That's a lot of sleeping bags for a trailer. Lots of stuff in here to clean out. Got the refrigerator all clean. Freezer's clean. Everything looks really good. Sprayed it with a little bleach and water. So that's all good. Clean this all out, wiped everything down, unplugged the refrigerator, cleaned the refrigerator and freezer. This is kind of nice. We haven't used this as much as we should. Pulls out, 2-burner stove, sink,